Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat at sa aming guro na si Ma'am Dabiraw. Ang tatalakayin ko po ngayon ay isang Religion, Diversity, and Freedom Restriction. Religion diversity means that people have different religions, belief, and ways of worship. Freedom of religion is the right of every person to choose, practice, change, or not follow any religion without fear or discrimination. Respecting difference beliefs helps create peace, unity, and understanding in school, communities, and society. Focus issue: religion, discrimination, and prejudice, lack of respect for other people's belief and traditions, bullying or exclusion because of our religion, conflict caused by religion difference, balancing freedom of religion with respect for the rights of others, importance of respecting different belief, promotes peace and harmony, encourages tolerance and understanding, protects human rights and religion freedom, builds strongest relationship among people from different backgrounds, reduce conflict and discrimination. Conclusion: respecting religion diversity does not mean you have to agree with every belief. It means recognizing that everyone has the rights to their own faith and treating others with kindness, fairness, and respect. By valuing religion freedom, we can build a more peaceful and inclusive society. At yun lang po ang aking pag-unawa sa religion, diversity, and freedom respecting. Salamat.